Hello, welcome to part 4 of proportional applications, and this is indirect measurement. So what we're going to use is the idea of similar triangles here. It says Rachel wants to measure the width of the river, width here. She marks off two right triangles as shown in the figure below. The base of the larger triangle has a length of 61, and the base of the smaller triangle has a length of 35. The width of the height of the smaller triangle is 23.4. How wide was the river? So these two sides are going to be similar, and these two sides are going to be similar. So I'm going to start off, and I'm going to make question mark equal x, so I have something to solve for. So I'm going to start off with x over 23.4 equals, and my big triangle's on top, so my 61 has to go on top, 61 over 35. Now I'm going to multiply away, and I get 35x equals 61 times 23.4. And that gives me 1,427.4. I'm going to divide by 35 on both sides. And x is going to give me 4D, excuse me, 0.782, and a bunch of other stuff. It says round to the nearest meter. Well, the nearest meter is going to be the nearest whole number, so I'm going to round. 7 is going to round that up to 41, so x equals 41 meters. So remember to set up your similar sides. It could have been any way, actually. Just make it consistent. It says a pole is 31 meters tall, casts a shadow that is 1.4 meters long. Here's my first ratio. Okay, so I'm going to put the shadow, or I'm going to put the pole height, tall over long. Okay, so that's going to be my first ratio here. So I'm going to have 3.1 meters on top and 1.44 meters on the bottom. At the same time, a nearby tower casts a shadow that's 4.75 meters long. Well, I need to first make sure I put this on the right spot. It says, how tall is the tower? I don't know. That's going to be x. And since it says tall, I'm going to put x in the numerator and 49.75 in the denominator. Now I'm going to cross multiply. I get 1.44x equals 3.1 times 49.75. And that equals 154.225. Next, I just want to divide by 1.44 on both sides. And x is going to give me 107.1006, so on and so forth. I want to round to the nearest meter, so that's going to just say x is equal to 107 meters. So remember to set up your proportions and stay consistent when you're setting them up. Solve the problem below. Good luck.